banana. Okay, I didn't see y'all there. I know. Why did you click on this video? Because today you're all going to be learning about, are we genetically related to the yellow fruit source, which is a fruit called a banana. Now, bananas are eaten by minions, as lots of us know, but we're not getting onto that. But scientists have extracted DNA from the banana, and they have discovered that the DNA in the banana is 50 or 60% related to us. So 3 things popped in my mind when I heard about this when Grandpa was watching a science show. I should make a video about this. Is it cannibalism? Because, like, if it's 50-60% related to us, isn't that a little bit disgusting? Because we're, like, eating nearly a human being. And the third question is, why aren't they genetically related to us? Let's talk about the third question. I have no idea because I'm not a scientist. But let's talk about the first question. I'm doing it right now. Now let's talk about the third question. Is it cannibalism? Now I wouldn't say it's cannibalism because we've been eating bananas for hundreds, thousands, millions of years. So I wouldn't really say it's cannibalism because they're yellow and they're not us, so it wouldn't be cannibalism, but they're nearly us. So well, I don't really know. But now I'm going to read to you an article made by Get Science. And let me just pop that up. By Get Science staff. Ooh, the staff. Oh, that's interesting. And how genetically related are we to bananas? By Get Science staff, July 29th, 2017. And let me read this. Oh, wait. I always hate when that happens because it's a computer. I'll just keep it up. Now, I'm not going to read the head titles unless they seem important. It says, we've long known that we're closely related to chimpanzees and their other primates, but did you know that humans also share more than half of our genetic materials with chickens, fruit flies, and bananas? So chickens, not cannibalism to me. Fruit flies, I don't even think any of us eat fruit flies unless we live in the wild, so not cannibalism. And, well, bananas, that's what we're talking about. And since a human, well, I'm not gonna read that one because I want to get to important stuff. But it says when in 2000 in 2003, in 2003, they revealed that we share the DNA with many organisms, including your favorite yellow peeled fruit. Now, I don't think it's peeled unless you peel it, but a recipe for proteins. Oh. So this is talking about the proteins. Oh God. This keep glitching. Recipe for proteins. Almost all living creatures come with an instructional manual. This is odd. So this is saying that all organisms make protein, and some of the protein is the same as ours, like the characteristics, the physical behavior, um, and the seeable things like hair and eyes. Like if you look at somebody, you might notice that they have the same hair or the eyes, and it's the DNA doing that. But you might not have the same DNA. It's just how the DNA works. And antibody hormones. Sorry, I can't pronounce stuff. And the second one is telling more organisms, yeast, rice, frogs, and other living things on the planet have similarities and overlap. Wow. So a bunch of other living organisms. Now, this caught my eye, and it says the overlap existence because we all evolved from a common ancestor, a single-celled organism that lived 3 or 4 billion years ago, known as the last universe common ancestor, Lucy, LUCA. Many of these common genes have been well, that's actually interesting that our ancestors are most likely the same. But the genes seem to be. Didn't mean to do that. Oof, let's scroll down. We're not checking about. Banana is 60%. Oh my gosh. Mac being the nome of the red jungle fowl, the modern distance of a dinosaur, researchers have gained more insight into the genetics differences between birds and mammals. Some surprising potential similarities were discovered as well. The genes coding for proteins found in the chicken eggshells and bones may have some related counterparts involved the bone. And so that didn't really say anything. Oh, that was a chicken. I'm so sorry. That was a chicken. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I was like, huh? sorry, but you just learned some stuff about and we have the banana more than 60% identical. Many of the housekeeping genes that are necessary for basic cellular functions, such as replacing DNA, controlling the cell cycle, and helping cells divide and share between many plants, including bananas and animals. Okay, and then we got the fruit fly, and well, that's really a bunch of stuff. Biology explained. We're gonna go on to here now. Now, I have not read this one, but I think. Alrighty. Well, that's about how we are genetically related to bananas. You can always search up how are we genetically related to bananas and read more stuff. But sorry that I read the chicken thing. I knew something was off because they were talking about eggshells. I didn't notice that the computer lagged out, but you still learned some interesting things. And now we gotta play the song again. Banana power, banana power.